to talk about real quick, socially inspired subscription box. Listen, this was absolutely fantastic. It came including absolutely everything. It had a print, it had fabric, it had sewing needles as well as thread. It had everything you could imagine for your very own project. Now, I am not the seamstress in the family. I have a 7-year-old, soon to be 8, who took classes with Sabrina last summer. And she is absolutely phenomenal on the machine. She started her own business just after 2 classes with Sabrina. And she was so thrilled and so fantastic so thrilled and so excited when her box came in. But she's kind of been on a creative hiatus. And so I took the liberty with her birthday coming up to kind of dive into the box and see if I can inspire something to, come out of her again. And so I had no idea what I was doing on the machine. I know just enough to guide my daughter through what she's doing, but she knows everything. And so I sat down and I followed the instructions that Sabrina so kindly placed into the box. And even when I thought I was more confident, even when I thought that I was more aware of what the project would actually need, the project wasn't making sense to me exactly. And so I was like, I'm pretty sure I don't need to do this step. And, wisdom came through and said, you know what, even if you don't think so, you should probably follow the sewing instructor, right? And so I did. And let me show you how perfect this project came out. So it was a face mask, and look at this print. The print in and of itself is absolutely beautiful. And it's right on time because my little one is now in a mermaid kick. So that's really fun. So it's a mask, and I'm going to try it on, but it's not going to fit just right. Look how perfect this is. Y'all, look, I can talk literally all day long, and the mask is never going to get sucked into my mouth because it creates this perfect little pocket. There's a bridge for the nose as well as for the chin. And this, the straps, listen, so the straps are a little bit wider so that it could fit on my head, but it's not the ideal size for my head. It's definitely a kid's mask. So these little things, these little grommets, they were inside the box, and you could size them just right to your kid's head and just cut off the extra and tighten a knot. And so, I followed the directions just right, and it has perfect seams, and it's just thick enough to make sure that all the nasties stay out and all the good stays in. And it looks like it was professionally done. Like it wasn't. It was done by me. And so I'm so excited about Socially Inspired's box subscription. It is definitely something that we will be investing in the future. And I absolutely suggest it. It comes with everything you could need. We had fabrics and needles and thread and, all the very specific pieces for the ideal project. And I would also suggest follow the instructions. Always listen to the instructor. She knows what she's doing. She's so great at what she does. Thank you, Sabrina, and for everything you do, because you are fantastic at this.